Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add recovery email address in Gmail in just a few simple steps. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Select the Gmail account in which you want to add a recovery email. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab. Scroll down to the Ways we can verify it's you section. Tap on Recovery Email. You may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password. Now, tap Add Recovery Email and enter the email address you want to use. Tap Next and then Verify. A verification link will be sent to your recovery email. Open the recovery email. Click on the verification link, and your recovery email will be added successfully. And that's it. How to add recovery email address in Gmail. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.